Hi, my name is Rolando Estenso, Georgia Putian from Davao City National High School. I'm here in front of you to discuss about battery. Battery, an automotive storage. Battery consists essentially of a hard rubber case containing a solution called electrolyte. Separators and insulators are employed to prevent contact between adjacent plates, and each group of like plates are joined together by connectors that end respectively in the positive and negative terminals of the battery. The electrolyte is a solution of distilled water and sulfuric acid. A cell of this type is capable of delivering slightly more than 2 volts when in the fully charged state. There are two types of battery, the maintenance-free and non-maintenance-free. The non-maintenance-free is good to 2 to 3 years, and the maintenance-free if the electrolyte and battery drain, refill another electrolyte to create a electrolyte. We need 40% sulfuric acid and 60% distilled water. There are three chemicals in the battery to create a current. This is sponge lead, lead oxide, and sulfuric acid. The purpose of separators to separate the positive and negative to prevent explosion. There are 6 cells in battery. Every cell in battery is 2.15 volts. If you total the all cell is equal to 12.9 volts. And that's all for today, and thank you for watching.